Hey guys, what's up? whbproductions over here. Today with an awesome tutorial in After Effects. It's a simple motion animation that you can do yourself and it's very easy to do. But before that, if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it as much as you can. And let's get to the video. Okay, now after opening After Effects, you need to go over here in composition and you need to select new composition. You can type it anything you want. I'm going to write motion animation. Keep the frame rate 60 frames per second and keep this animation around 3 seconds long, and keep the background color black. Also these dimensions 1920 by 1080 log aspect ratio. Hit OK. Now what you're going to do over here is just go over here and select new, type in your text. After you've typed in your text, just make sure to center align it by going over here in window and selecting the align option. Make sure to keep the caps lock off. Now once it's center aligned, now just go over here to right click and just click new and select the shape layer and select the rectangle from over here. You're going to make the rectangle like this and just press this selection tool over here, V, and just make sure to align it at the edge. After you've done that, you can just go over here and in the shape layer again and just press Ctrl D to duplicate it. You will duplicate it and you can drag this down over here. It's looking okay. Now the next thing you want to do is just click on the text layer, select P on your keyboard, and you will open the position. We are going to go over here in around 1 second, which is over here, and we are going to hit this stopwatch over here. This is going to create a keyframe. Next, we are going to go back in time, like back to the future, and then just drag this text down out of the screen, and when you hit space, you can see that it is being animated, but our job isn't done yet. We are going to click this position and select the graph editor from over here. To make this animation smooth, we need to adjust the graph a little bit. Just make sure to select a shape like this, because this is going to go fast, really fast, and then just slow down. And you can turn off the graph editor from over here. By the way, this is a speed graph, so you need to right click over here. If you cannot see this, then you can right click over here and you can select the edit speed graph. Now turning off we can see the difference in the animation. Look, it's going fast and then it's slowing down. The next thing you want to do is just go over here on your text and press U. This will open your keyframes if they are not visible. If they are visible, then it's fine, but use the key to select and unselect the keyframes. We are going to click this shape layer above, and going to go over here in like 2 seconds. We are going to hit P on our keyboard to open the position keyframe and hit the stopwatch over here. After hitting the stopwatch, we will go back a few keyframes up to over here, up to the point where we have the ending of the first text animation. We are going to drag this back in time, and then we're going to see this animate as well. But we're going to adjust the graph, so our job isn't done yet. We're going to click over here in position and open this graph editor. Going to do the same thing that we did in the previous graph. Make a shape, something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you get the idea that the animation is first fast and then it's slowing down. So we're going to go back, click on the graph editor, and then we're going to see this animate. Looks pretty nice. Now the last step is left, so just click your shape layer that you animated, press U to open the keyframes, go around over here, or a much better way to select this, we're going to go on this keyframe and we're going to select the shape layer, hit P on our keyboard to open position. We're going to hit the stopwatch over here. Then we're going to go back to the future, or you could just select this from over here on this keyframe to be more precise. Then drag this out and you will see this animate as well. But we are going to adjust the graph once again. So going over here in position, the graph editor, make sure it's a speed graph. The animation is fast and then it's slow. So adjust it something like this. Just close the graph editor and then you will see this animate. It's looking really nice. So it's a simple motion animation that you can do yourself, and if you want to create something animated on your social media, so this is a very good thing. But now what we are going to do is just go over here in file and export and add to render queue. We will open something like this. Click on this button, lossless, which is the output module. Change it to QuickTime or AVI or any format you like. We do not have audio, so we can just turn off the audio. Click OK, and this is your destination. So you're going to click this and you're going to open your destination. So you can save this however you like it, and then just hit render. Once it is going to render out, then it's going to look really nice. So guys, I hope you like this video, and please leave a like and thumbs up. The one thing I forgot to mention, that the color code for this font will be in the description, as well as this is the FUTURA font that I'm using, so you can use that as well. And this is a really fun and easy method to just animate in After Effects. This is the simple animation. Let me know if you want to see more tutorials like this, or more new animations and Photoshop tutorials. Leave a like and comment. Thanks so much for watching.